Chapter 11 is about correlation and regression. So 1101 is called Bivariate Data. It's about where you've got two variables in the same data set. In our previous statistics chapter, we only had one variable. We now have two variables. And we might want to compare those two variables. Now, to enter bivariate data into your calculator, when you do mode stat, you're choosing this one. It's like y equals mx plus c, mx plus c. If you're already in statistics mode, you can change it to bivariate data by going Shift 1 and then 1 for the data and then 2 for that type of data. Okay, so this first exercise is all about scatter plots. So we've got a table here that gives students results in a topic test and in a formal assessment task on the same content. So you can see student A got 3 in the topic test and 62 in the assessment. Student B got 9 in the topic test, 100% in the assessment. You see the assessment looks like it was out of 100%. The topic test may have been just out of 10. So we're going to graph these results into a scatter plot. And quite simply, all you have to do is plot the topic test against the assessment task. So 362 across 3 up to 62, we put a little dot. 9, 100. Once you get the idea, feel free to fast forward the video to after I've entered all the data in. 895, 250, 789, 599, 781, 673, 892. It was close to that 895 one as well, wasn't it? 973, 10 and 89, 8 and 87, a little cluster there, and 4 and 98. Okay, so there's the data graphed. Just some things to note. So these people here did incredibly well on the actual assessment task, but not so well on the topic test. So maybe they didn't take the topic test as seriously as they took the actual task. So what we see with a scatter plot is we tend to look at the general shape of it. So we can see these are generally increasing. Okay, we could draw a line of best fit through there, but we'll leave that for another exercise. So the general shape, if it generally goes up in a straight line, then it's linear and it's positive. If it generally goes down in a straight line, it's linear negative. If it's non-linear, then it's got some other shape. So it might look something like that. That would be a cubic line of best fit. And if it's all over the place where there's no pattern at all, we say that there's no correlation.